Hey guys, so I am going to a Bianca Del Rio show in Amsterdam tonight, and I am so excited for the show. I hopefully get to meet her and hug her. I have no idea what the show is going to be like, if she's just going to read people or if she's going to lip sync or whatever the hell she's going to do, but I am so excited because Bianca Del Rio. So because the show isn't until tonight, I had a little bit of time to really, do my makeup and come up with something fun, and I thought, why not film it for my very first Get Ready With Me video. It's like July is the month of the new videos because I started July with my first impressions on the L'Oreal Nude Magique, and this is my first Get Ready With Me video. So July is all about, improving and new stuff. So yeah, without any further ado, if you want to know how I got this look for the Bianca Del Rio show tonight, then please keep on watching. Bianca Del Rio's show in Amsterdam tonight. I cannot wait to see her. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my very first Get Ready With Me video. For a full list of every single product used in this video, go to my website, NikkiTutorials.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. That all is Nikki Tutorials. As always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. So yeah, that's it for me today. Hopefully, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so my skin has been acting like a true roller coaster lately. One day it's oily, one day it's like a dehydrated desert. I don't know what's going on.